Hello and welcome to your overview for Manage Donor Data. As you can see, we are on the Import Banker's order screen, which I covered in a previous video. But I just want to draw your attention again to the little button bar in the top right. If you click the Import Banker's order blue button, you'll always be presented with a screen. However, if you click the green Manage Donor Data button, like so, you can see that the screen has changed somewhat. You can see that the title in the top left now says Manage Donor Data, and over on the right you can see an extra 2 buttons have been added into the button bar. First of all, we can see a blue Print List button. So if you click that button once, this basically just gets your information in your table ready to print. So you can see here a preview of what we could send to the printer. This is just your information exactly as you can see on screen. The yellow Download List button. This downloads the information on screen to a CSV file, which you can then open in Microsoft Excel or similar and manipulate it. You can save that to anywhere on your computer. So that's those 2 buttons. If you look at this grey bar here, first of all, you can see that there's various checkboxes with the heading Fields to Update. So if you're looking to make any changes to your data here, you can do this quickly and easily through this screen. The columns you can see are the pieces of information that are changeable. So for an example, if we wanted to change this donor here's email address, first of all we would need to make that field editable. As you can see, they're all greyed out, so you can't make any changes. That's when this little red icon, stop icon, appears over them. You can't make any changes as of yet. If you want to update a particular field, click the relevant checkbox above, and you can see that the fields in this column are now white, so you can make any changes as you needed. So I want to change this donor's email address, and you can see in the changed column we now have a little tick against this field, against this record. You can undo the change. It's not been saved to the online system yet. You can undo it, so just by clicking this little back arrow like so, but we want to go ahead and change this email address. So we click the green Save Updates button, and only when you click this will any changes on this page be made finalised within GiftWise Online. Like so. And the good thing about this screen is that you can do several changes at once. So if you have an Excel sheet on your system of multiple changes, you can in fact do them all at the one time. So kind of bulk update. So if we untick that, that makes that field greyed out again, so that's disabled. And this time I want to change the amount in various records here, so I want to click amount, and you can see that this column is now white, so it's editable. And we want to do this via a CSV file as opposed to changing them one at a time. So we click the blue cross Select File to Upload button, select your file if you've got it ready on your machine, and pop it in here, and you can see from the file that we've imported here, there's 10 records about to change should we go ahead with it, and these amounts have all been changed, and they've all got a black tick against them to show that they have been changed. At this point you can still undo any of these that you don't want to go ahead with, or you can click the green Save Update button like so. So all those changes have now been made final by clicking that button. This screen is also used for doing your temporary numbers, but I'm going to cover that in a separate video. So that's all I'm going to show you about doing any edits in the screen at the moment. Okay, thanks for watching.